This lesson shows how to solve linear systems with matrix algebra and your graphing calculator. This lesson assumes you have already completed the lesson Matrix Operations with your graphing calculator. The first step is to write a matrix equation that is equivalent to the linear system. The coefficients of the variables from the left side of the two equations are entered into a coefficient matrix. The variables are entered into a variable matrix, and the constants are entered into a constant matrix. This matrix equation has the form AX equal B, a coefficient, times a variable equals a constant. In a previous lesson, you learned to understand that the solution to this matrix equation is the inverse of the coefficient matrix times the constant matrix. Also, in that previous lesson, you learned to solve the matrix equation by hand. In this lesson, you'll learn to solve the matrix equation with your graphing calculator. The first step is to enter matrix A, the coefficient matrix, into memory. Press second matrix to display the matrix menu. Use the right arrow key to move to the Edit submenu for matrix A. Press Enter and a 1x1 zero matrix is displayed. Enter the coefficient matrix. A 2x2 matrix with 4 and 3 in the first row and 2 and 1 in the second row. The next step is to enter matrix B, the constant matrix, into memory. Go to the Matrix Edit submenu for matrix B. Enter the constant matrix, a 2x1 column matrix with 19 in the first row and 9 in the second row. Then, and this is very important, when you are done editing, press second quit to quit matrix edit. Now remember, the solution to the matrix equation is the inverse of the coefficient matrix times the constant matrix. So go back to the matrix menu for the name of matrix A. Press the Enter key to paste the name of matrix A to the main screen. Then press the X to the -1 key, followed by the multiplication operator. Then go back to the matrix menu for the name of matrix B. Press Enter to paste the name of matrix B to the main screen. Then press Enter again to multiply the inverse of matrix A times the constant matrix. For a column matrix with 4 in the first row and 1 in the second row. This is the solution to the matrix equation, x equal 4 and y equal 1. And so the solution to the linear system is 4, 1. Be sure to check the solution. You can use your calculator to solve a linear system of any size. Here is a linear system with 3 variables. The coefficient matrix is a 3x3 square matrix. The variable matrix is a 3x1 column matrix. And the constant matrix is a 3x1 column matrix. This matrix equation has the same form, AX equal B, a coefficient times a variable equals a constant. So the solution is the same, the inverse of the coefficient times the constant. Here is the coefficient matrix in memory. Here is the constant matrix in memory. And here is the solution, the inverse of matrix A times B. For A equals 4, B equal -10, and C equal 1. So the linear system has the solution 4, -10, 1. Be sure to check the solution. This lesson is brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.